To be honest, I haven't been on the highway for such a long time. Today, I wanted to go to a supermarket to buy some dishes and chopsticks. So I navigated to that place. But I didn't see it clearly. I thought there was a highway in the city. As I was walking, I heard the navigation say that there was a highway ahead. Please be prepared or something. This scared me. I haven't been on the highway before, so I was scared. I arrived at the entrance of the highway. And I saw a lot of cars parked on the side of the road. I thought I should stop and adjust for a while. Or see if there is a place to turn around. I'd better go back. I was scared, so I adjusted a little. I saw that there was no place to turn around. I could only bite the bullet and move forward. No matter how hungry I was, I would drive forward. I think I should be able to do it. I can only follow their artificial channel and move forward. Let's do it. Since I'm here, haven't you eaten pork or seen pigs run? Let me drive first. I feel okay after passing a bend, and then I entered the acceleration lane. I increased the speed first. Here, I want to turn left. Guy, what's wrong with you? Your feet are not clear anymore. If you want to change lanes, I have to slow down. How scary. You drive so fast. Everyone drives so fast. Okay, there's a car behind me on the left. I'll wait for it to pass before I change over. I feel okay. I'll overtake this big truck. The navigation keeps asking me to turn left and let me drive on the left lane. Why are there so many big trucks in this row? I can't get through. Oh my god, I don't dare. Why am I trying for a long time? Oh my god, this is the intersection ahead. I'm afraid I've taken the wrong turn. He told me to go left, but I only went right. I walked fearfully every day. Oh my god, this road is really the wrong way. The navigation said I took the wrong way and there's a detour of 10 kilometers ahead. Oh my god, I really want to get off the highway. What should I do? I drove all the way with fear. I drove in a mess. The speed was about 100. I saw that everyone was not driving very fast. What's going on? Is it? Tell me.